Jesus spoke these words to people whose souls were already past empty. In Matthew chapter 11 we read, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy, and my burden is light." Here, Jesus himself is speaking. He is not addressing the strong, but the weary and burdened. The verbs are simple and personal. Come, take, learn. He does not offer a set of rules. He offers himself. Twice, he promises rest. The first time, "I will give you rest." The second, "You will find rest for your souls." He describes his own heart as gentle and humble. The image of a yoke is surprising. A yoke is a work tool laid on animals to pull weight. Yet he calls his yoke easy and his burden light. For the first listeners, crushed by religious demands, political pressure, and daily survival, this invitation was radical. Rest was not just a day off or a vacation. The Greek word for rest here is anapausis. It means relief, refreshment, renewal. It is the picture of a soul being restored in relationship with God. Jeremiah 6 speaks of finding rest for your souls by walking in the ancient paths God set out. Hebrews 4 talks about a deeper Sabbath rest for the people of God, entered by trusting in Christ's finished work rather than our own. Peter later echoes this when he urges believers to cast all their anxieties on God because he cares for them. The thread is clear. True rest is not the absence of effort, but the presence of Jesus at the center of our effort. His yoke is shared work with him, guided by his gentle, humble heart. This speaks straight into calendars packed with meetings, constant notifications, and pressure to prove ourselves. Many people collapse into entertainment at night, but never truly rest. Jesus' words invite a different way of carrying life. Practically, this can start very small. This week, once a day, stop for a few quiet minutes and name your real burdens out loud to Jesus. Work stress, family weight, inner fears, and consciously hand them over. Picture placing them into his hands and stepping into his yoke instead. Then choose one area where you will learn from his gentleness and humility. Maybe slowing your tone in a tense conversation, or accepting your limits instead of adding one more commitment. Rest grows as we move from self-reliance to shared yoke. It does not always change the load, but it changes how we carry it and who carries it with us. Study it deeply. Live it fully.